to my Quarantine Diaries. Thank you guys so much for all the love on the last video. You guys have no idea how much it means to me. Like, I literally was just like, felt all warm and fuzzy for a whole day because I was just like, oh, people like my video, and like so many of you privately messaged me and were just so freaking lovely about it. It made me really excited to film more videos because I feel like I am no longer just talking into the void. I feel like I have people in my brain that I'm like, okay, I'm talking to you. Today I did something a little bit not allowed. Technically illegal, actually. I made some caramel slice the other day and my friends Kilty and Heidi had both tried my caramel slice. So I told them I'd give them some next time I make some. So I wanted to make them each a box and give it to them. So I did. So I put the caramel slice into 2 separate boxes, one for Heidi and one for Kilty, and wrote them each 5 things that I think make them incredible on the top. It's really good to show the people you love that you love them and put in the effort to do special things to make them feel extra loved. I don't want to feel anything.
Nothing. Wait, Joy, help me.
So I've been gone for a week. The last week has been full of ups and downs. I focused on my studies. It was frustrating, it was hard, there was breakdowns. I just wasn't in the zone. I wasn't working out, I wasn't caring about my appearance, and I kind of yesterday was like, holy shit, I need to snap out of this like hole I'm in. And I'm really happy I'm out of that hole now, but I really do think I needed to be in that hole for a while. And I guess I'm sharing this because I see a lot of things online at the moment that is like, be productive, be busy, do this, do that. And like, you know, it's really inspiring, and that's what I want to do with these vlogs, is like, I want to inspire you guys. Like, yeah, there's weeks where I'm like being really productive and being really outgoing and working out and cooking and stuff, and then there's also weeks like last week where I feel kind of not attractive and don't feel like getting out of my pajamas and don't really feel like doing anything. I mean, maybe I have some photos. I'll insert photos and you can see my state. Like, I wasn't, skin was breaking out, perioding, had cramps, was studying. Like, it just wasn't it wasn't time for me to face a camera and force myself to talk because I just didn't want to. I just want you guys to know in this time, like, yeah, like there's days where I'm being productive, and I'm sure you guys are as well, like just days where you're being creative and you're lying in the sun and you FaceTime your friends and it's great and it's fun, and then there's also days where you're just like stuck at home and feeling a bit low or feeling a bit lonely or feeling a bit unmotivated. And yeah, it's okay. It's about the ups and downs. I have some really exciting news. I got my diploma. I have been working on this diploma for quite a while now. I mean, I've been doing it online. I'm honestly proud of myself. Like, I actually got through it. Like, I know anybody could have. It wasn't like extremely difficult. Like, you watching, like, if I can do it, anyone can do it, trust me. But like, it is still just an achievement. Like, I decided to do it. I pushed myself to finish, like, even when it was really hard, even when it was just boring. Pat on the back, hug myself. Oh, thank the fuck it's over though. I made myself one promise. When I finished this diploma, I would cut my hair. It's weird. I feel like I've just like attached long hair with like the idea of me being like beautiful or something. I don't know, it sounds dumb, but like I feel like for so long I just like associated long hair with my beauty, and like how I started believing, I guess, not even realizing it, that like my long hair, well, not my long, but like my hair was what made me kind of a lot more beautiful, which is so dumb. So I think when I started thinking like, should I cut my hair, I'd always think like, oh no, like I shouldn't, like it's not gonna look good, I'll look bad. But it's also weird because like last time I had short hair was when I was like 15, 14, 16 kind of. That was a really weird order to say those numbers, but like 14, 15, 16, and like it's just weird because I feel like cutting it will like bring me back to the me I was then. Is that weird? I don't know. I know it's just hair. Like I know it's just hair. Like it's gonna grow back, and I'm being dramatic. So yeah, after that whole spiel, pretty much I am going to cut my hair because I promised myself I would. I needed the change. I need a refresh. And I also am just so over taking care of this long hair. I'm constantly just like, oh, like fixing my hair. Like I'm just over it. I think just having short hair is just gonna be so much easier. So I'm gonna cut my hair, but I'm freaking out. Like, is it the right decision? It's gonna grow back. You know what? It's gonna grow back. We're fucking doing it. What am I doing? Alright. The sound, my heart is literally. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Fuck me. Oh wow, I really cooked that, but I think you're gonna have to just come and fix it now.
Okay. Do you have a comb?
Oh my god! Ah! What the hell?
A bit shorter than the other side.
Yeah, I want you to cut the other side to that lip.
Why do you touch?
Because it's good to rearrange so
But
you can
I am
see.
in the middle of art.
Ma. What the hell? What the hell? I can't believe it. I really like it. I do. If I tie it up, how can I tie it up? Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna FaceTime some of my friends because some of my friends, I actually told them that I had a plan after my diploma to cut my hair, but let's see what they think.
Hello.
Look at this.
Oh, love it.
Also, I'm vlogging, so I say hi.
Hi.
Oh, I finished my diploma. Did I tell you?
Oh, no. You told me you handed your last assignment in.
She called me yesterday and was like, you finished your diploma. And I was like, hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Oh my god. Oh, you look so good. Oh my god, you look so good.
Thank you, my love. Bish.
Hello.
Oh my god, I was gonna shock you with my haircut and then you.
Oh my god. Oh, it's so cute.
Thank you.
So nice.
Thanks. I literally just did it. I'm vlogging. Say hi.
Oh, hi. Oh, hi.
Chloe, look at this. Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Jarvis. Wait, look at me. Hold on, stop skateboarding. Hold on. Ready, look at me.
What? That's so good.
No, thank you.
What? It looks so good.
Thank you. Also, I'm vlogging. Say hi.
Hi. Dude, That looks so good.
I did it 2 seconds
You
ago.
actually look like the girl from Atypical. I love it.
It took you so long. I'm vlogging, say hi. I wanted to get your reaction and then you didn't pick up. I guess this is like my self-isolation quarantine madness haircut. I feel like if you guys haven't cut your hair in quarantine yet, just you wait. Everyone has to cut their hair in quarantine or dye it at least once. Like, it's just part of the part. It's just part of what happens when you're stuck at home. You have to cut your hair or dye your hair. So if you guys are not hopping on the trend, it turned out good. I'm in shock. I'm definitely in shock, but I just feel so different. I feel new, but I'm not. What the hell? Okay. Mwah. Bye, guys. You gotta keep it focused. Why won't you say so? Didn't even notice you put me in. Bella, do the dance and I'll sing. You do the dance and I'll sing it. Ready?
Okay. Ready? Which one am I doing?
Say so. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, okay.
Didn't even know. Didn't even know.